Hello, happy Fun Friday. Today we're going to have a look at playing Have a Nice Day, because it is a nice day, by the Stereophonics. Don't forget, if this is your sort of thing, like and subscribe, always appreciated. So this is actually pretty much two chords that you need to get sorted and under your fingers, and then the rest of it comes together. So you've got, for the intro and the chorus, A and D sus2. So I would play D, the A with the C sharp at the top, and then you can play D sus2 there if you like. So you can rock between those two chords. As an intro. If you want to follow more of the melody line, you can see in brackets I've got A over D instead of the D sus2, and this is actually quite cool because you can keep that A shape in the right hand and just move to the D in the left hand. And that's pretty much most of the chorus and intro, and even the verse as well. And the only difference you'll notice with the verse is at the end it goes to a G and then a D over F sharp. So to finish, and then back to, slight variation in the solo where you start on an E to a D sus2, but playing the keyboard you are just supporting the guitar really. So you could do some little arpeggios there. There you go. That's all there is to it. I hope you found that fun. Go and have a play. Get the A to the D sus2 under your fingers to start with, and it will all come together with your band. Don't forget, like and subscribe, always appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.